Hello and welcome to MaxSafe. Today I'm going to show you in just under 1 minute how you can create your account and view your net pricing. Simply search maxsafeglobal.com in Google. Once site loads, within the header find sign up in the right hand corner. Simply fill in your name, email, password and business name and press submit. That's it, your web account is created. You will get an email confirming your account. However, you can already sign in and freely browse all of our products and see your net pricing. A member of the sales team will contact you shortly to guide you through the website and answer any questions you may have.